Now, good morning. Happy Sunday. Today na 31st, on 1st October. So tomorrow finish. We just use a few days for 2022. We enter 2022. Now Cyprus made the talk. Maybe I don't know Cyprus made of Cyprus. When Cyprus made the talk, they transfer for una. Now need the made of Cyprus. So now Cyprus made the talk now for una. Like Google. So when I listen the news, the good and the bad news. When I come out Africa, when I come for Europe, when I mind for come for Europe, when I basement for come for Europe, or your mission for enter Europe na waiting. Maybe una don't know, most of una don't know una mission. When you enter Europe, your first mission for the Europe, you have to pray for the country. May God bless you for this country. Where you enter. You continue to pray. Say, may your foot stand, may God bless you, may God give you the foundation for the country. May you know how the country dey, where did you go out, where did you come in. May you understand the country well. And one mission, how you enter Europe, all man, you do for all man mind, for all man brain. When you enter Europe, you plan how you be house to Africa, you go make your family well big, well rich, you go make topic of the day, may they know say at least you dey Europe. But for now, the Europe, when they enter, surtout Cameroon girls them. When I Europe, when they enter, they from pure. When I born the cricket, I want enter na for place for born. So all do I you talk so it was Cyprus made. I will transfer the Google for una. Now Cyprus made the talk now for una. Second Cyprus made. When I enter Europe, when I forget picking. If you get one picking for Africa, once you enter Europe, if you no get stand, no born picking. If you see better bobos, all manner bobos, if you see the better one for your own choice, if it keep you for one or two things, make life, and if you want make the born the picking, at least waste some small time. Not just enter Europe, 1 month, 2 months, you born picking. Need the work, I need to go. All the mommy traffic there, all the mommy underage there, because all we, normal own, we younger, but all we can chop are doing traffic and underage. When you come out for that traffic for Africa, when I wish for Europe, they tell us I can't chop traffic, then you do belle. Once you enter for Europe, you demand adore the traffic. You ask refugee. Once you ask that refugee, the traffic, yes, good and fine, they won't accept you. The next 3 months, they do belle. They move the next 3 months, na Superman do belle. The next 3 months, you all recognize picking. They say that they ask themselves the people they will accept you for the traffic. Say, but how manage? You will enter, you might stay 1 year. You might stay 1 year safe. You do pure. You might even stay na Superman do belle. Mona no ki fuck up on herself. When I want to fuck up over for this country, Cyprus na better place for how we understand. And if you like your Gary for this country, but for different Europe, abroad, for different abroad, you go lack dame. For this country, you no go lack dame. Now we will be the cause of our problem for this Cyprus, but we don't know. We don't know. When I enter, now so winter normal start to. You need to call do answer winter. Do an esprit. Now so na esprit don't start. When I do the born the cricket. Before winter was start, when I hold the born. Winter was finish, when I hold the pier. Before summer was even end, when I hold the double for the country. How simple you know go verse. Now when I be the cost, you na simple people they be the cost. Cyprus need be there so before. When you enter Cyprus, you go immigration. Immigration, you welcome you had you welcome Jesus Christ. What do you want? They need you for even ask you things there. You just write this pam. They already get a confirmation letter. From confirmation letter, they give you alien book. I mean find the alien book. I know you see the alien book. They give for show an example. They give you an alien book. From there, they just call away from bam. This so person is coming. Tap the only like 600 euro for hand. Now example again, the me and my chop our welfare money, all those things I don't even know. My can make more na qualify first in our life. When I enter Cyprus here, with this black cost na only for Africa. This na okay na new black cost for Europe. For this Cyprus here, for Europe, so to this Cyprus. Black cost no dey here, black cost plenty dey for Africa pass Cyprus. You na keep respect una self, my sister. Then una dey born the Johnny Waka. Una dey born the cricket. They need to born so. Surtout Cameroon girls there. Cameroon girls there when I stop for the born. You come out Cameroon to Bele. We pick it for hand. You never know how you go. You never know your adventure, how you go end, how you go last. Just because all you say, they give you paper. They give you paper for which means, for which base. For which means and for which base. Where they give you the key. How? It not be impossible. It's not impossible. When you enter Europe, try for know the stand. Try for stand before you born pikin. When they just they don't even fool yourself. Now intention for born the pikin. No man pikin if fool yourself. Carry me belle. When I want just to say I go born, they will give me paper. They will recognize me. When I sure or when I say they recognize una. Do they want recognize? They want recognize you for how? Automatically be you be alien book. You be alien book. If you born pikin will go to an alien book. If you born pikin with man way, he write in name as EU. The paper na EU where they will give you. If you born pikin with third world day. This one na so na get pikin say Europe. When I be third world they all. When you born with foreigner, they give you Euro slip na third world. When you born with come Europea, they give you passport. They give you passport. They give you passport. When you born with man way, now wait 1 minute marker. When you born with man way, now third world, they give you resident. It depends the height and for 1 year or 3 years, or 5 years or 10 years. It depends the kind resident they will give you. Where they will height and for each side. When you born Adoro born, they give you an alien book. Now that all pass me way, you know the immigration be what take and since. Now all pass me. They give you alien book. When you born, only you born. I know see get stand. So I was see my born pikin before I recognize my pikin. You go born, you not get time for work that money, for find money for recognize pikin. Automatically, you don't so ground zero. You decide you're gonna for Red Cross for go demand chop and close. You go for Gosha there. Gosha too they saw for Nahanu. You say the work of Gosha there. You may say you can't die. Now Gosha says me you born. Now Red Cross me you born. Cyprus government the vest just because you like you born. They did the vest now because of population. For the girls then. My sister and I left plenty for one side. If you want to find plenty, if you find an old papa put this old papa there. But when I say, Cameroon get the select plenty, Cameroon get the all kind dust. Cameroon get the all dust. Just because you say, sometimes get 50 euro, 10 euro, 20 euro. Sometimes I no get that. So I love that boy. They did love for euro. The thing I say euro, they did love. That boy they give now belly so. Boy they get sense. Automatically, some boy see any girl get ducky, he could abandon you go. One black boy you get 2 women they do belly for this country. He will see Selena one put for that. Say no, my own is like her. I want settle to you. You in there, okay below the boy now. We want do it. Government need to recognize single mother for this country as abroad. When I call Cyprus say abroad, Cyprus put the call Central you say abroad. When I call Cyprus say abroad. Now abroad this. Abuna control na quickly say. When I control that one at toto. Last week I did go hospital for go consult, for go consult I can't go for skin. Doctor you ask me see you can't check. Say I can't check. I check waiting. I think na Oma must born. I think oh ye, I say tough for great for ye. It is not then this all their city days Cameroon there. More than 9 get obele. When winter no even start. This one na spring now. Winter no more start. Then before winter what even finish, you miss now all double. Una only born ke one, una all times. Then na things make the government be happy. It dey affect we too now. Una be say we come for Yoho, we come make 13 years, 14 years, 15 years. What you don't do? Una you do now waiting now to pikin them. Una even get 2 people come you enter Yoho. My sister not born for the moment. If you try to get your stand, because this Cyprus, this take work, Cyprus na take work for me. Oh, no na country this. All the dama for it, any man get on banga, he vanish. He vanish. Try to get the stand before at least you are born. No, that because the hospital na free, grocery na free, red cross na free, chop na free, chop na all thing na free. Una only one free at the end of the suffer the picking for street. New law can go Cyprus now. The 6 people that picking them now for this country now. Una many time they will vanish for una hand. They vanish the till they need the back una. Cyprus government they support all that refugee picking them with alien book. Tell una about picking get alien book. How do I recognize una picking get alien book? The man born picking get donkey. You go born to take what the born alien book. They how the man they say they want recognize picking. Then the man even get the first picking man will get his stand. The man even get his stand. You see go double number 2. Did you double number 2 see I hate you go for side? You need the thing. You need the thing. Winter normal start. We see them for esprit. Tell winter before winter was start on a whole double. Before winter was finish on a whole double. Before one enter spring or autumn now, when I also double. Before the rainy summer now, when I pushing a people trolley them. Any man single mother. They don't say side with the help single mother picking there for the country. It's not easy. Me man not tell you if you recognize a picking self, you recognize a picking. Before that document come on now, DNA no will start to. DNA be all start for the country. They stop her. When I see go them now, when I go there, you go recognize picking. When a white man can recognize a picking, you want go there for go to pick passport. You kind of mass and not black go there. You need them yourself now. Now some now spoil out. They say Cyprus the wicked. Cyprus people are not wicked. They good and the country fine. Now we will make me Cyprus the tongue we so today. Now they put on for potential scam for day. Les oiseaux there. They sell a pan. They you walk up picking the for hand everything. They come na for a sign. When I cook for pot for a sign. Who the pity una? Who holding enough 15 years? Who need the pity una? We need the pity una again. Because we will see take una pita for our house. Una will see double tumble for we. Una here to una own kanda. But if na tuna for can, we keep una for our house. Una will say, una will the no pass una no outing. No man no for Yogo. If you all go Dubai get own standard. Kuwait get own standard. America get own standard. Cyprus state go get own standard. Cameroon get own way. Tell me Cyprus where they want talk. It's my right. It's your right to born the picking because the money is free. The hospital bill is free. I beg when I try go doctor, when I take doctor, I'm mean of for family planning. When you go to Joe hospital, so when I need to mass on they go say doctor, we need family planning now with the 2 sex. With the one nap wa quickly. We need family planning. But come on get you should do where planting no dey for last. Every planting for na they think for born, they think for born for which base? Cyprus na for hand to mouth. Now for hand to mouth. Muna no compare with this open they get 3 picking, 4 picking there. Because they all these they know how they feel 8 as soon time they help them. Well now na just cancel na keep forget about these old people there. You don't not 20 na this na only 20 what na do. Una na do it. Una yen one no. Una yen we. Titi ke munge una so now na quick una no get choice. Una take all kind doors una control yourself. Carry Ghana you can also Ghana the born for this Cyprus anyhow. Ghana need the born for this country anyhow. Okay, they think Nigeria need the born anyhow. Filipino they save the whole passport. Filipino are born, he get a passport. Filipino get the money all paput, he get a passport. Any Mike Boho come home for a mission for Cyprus, for it for a mission for it go Europe for doing mission. My sister do your mission suffering. Take cut put on for here, do your mission. No fear, no shame not to say they go mock you. Because now you are no say you come out. Your papa they will sell land, they will sell cocoa farm, they go borrow money for send you for abroad. You wish abroad, you can't born a pikin. You even born one, if you get 2 people come up, 3 pikin. You see, kind of going to say this man get passport or this man get your paper. you see born pikin or the one dey just simple resident when na even 1 year, na even na 10 years, you still go enter, you fuck up, you still go born pikin at the end. Na for you can discuss and say, hey, you all fuck up. Na to them for disciples. Some people they laugh with so they suffer all una so because the pikin na dey born now. They need suffer una say problem no dey Africa. They know say wahala dey come home, but they punish una because the pikin there. Una stop for the bond, na too born. Now go for doctor, me give una family planning ya. Me give una COY. COY, una pikin drink. Family planning. If you not know if you do family planning, you take do one. The one are the best. That one are 2 months old, that one are platform, that one are quick you are hot. Una take, una drink. At least me discharge all the ingredients. It's on a belly. Shrine the all. I'll give next video. Muna know what. When I say post me the talk with the M, una the good news. So I get time for give una.